Greetings and salutations. I went to the junkyard to get the rest of the bits for the outside of the blue Jeep. Let's see what I got. Oh. Let's see. This piece. This piece for this Jeep. And the bits for the roof rack. Now essentially what I got was the roof rack, a rear view mirror, which I keep forgetting to get, and that little piece of trim which I have to strip, and a switch. I got a switch for the windshield wipers, the back windshield wiper. I got a new switch. We'll see if that fixes my windshield wiper issue. Is there anything else I got? I don't remember. We'll see when. Let's see. No, I think that's about it. Okay, let's get busy putting it on. All right, this is the roof rack, or the luggage rack, whatever you want to call it, for the 93. And there were, I believe, three XJs at the Pick Apart Henderson yesterday. There was a 2000, a 1996, and a 1991, and this is off the 1991. And the difference between the 91 and the 96, and the 96 was the first one I saw there. The 96 has the black, like my 98, and the crossbars are black on the 98. And on the 91, they were stainless. And I think that might be I think they offered 3 different trim levels in 1991, and that might have been the top tier. But on the 96, the end caps for this rail were more of a spear, and on the 91, they're more blunt. You see the difference? These will work on here just fine, but those don't look bad either. So when I first got there yesterday, it was kind of interesting. It was pretty cool yesterday when I first got there. I'm in my own world. I'm not even looking at and paying attention to anybody around me. So I go up to that 96 XJ and I go right to work. I mean, I waste no time. The roof rack's there. I'm taking it. I didn't waste any time looking at any other new XJs. I know there were, yeah, all 3 of them were new. They were put there sometime between Christmas and New Year's. So I'm working on taking this roof rack off this 1996 XJ, and I hear, "Hey man, how's it going?" And I pick my head up and I look, and there's a kid staring back at me, and he says, "You bought that blue XJ from me." I ran into Ryan. This is the previous owner, Ryan. Say hi, Ryan. Hi. The kid I bought that hoopty from. And apparently he's been watching the video series. So hi, Ryan. It was nice seeing you again. Small world. What I got to do to this to prep it is clean all the debris off the backside. You can see where there was dirt, over 25 years worth of dirt and debris between this and the paint on the original vehicle. So I'm going to get all this off of here to minimize the abrasion between this interface and the body. And then I'm going to take some steel wool and I'm going to clean this stuff up a little bit. And then I'm going to take some silicone spray. This here silicone spray. And we'll spray the plastic bits. Put a little silicone spray on them, and that's like crack for plastic. It'll make it nice and soaks right up, makes it nice and shiny. And then while I'm spraying the silicone spray, I'll get down in here and get some in there so that those pieces are lubricated so they actually work. Once that's done, I'll put this thing all back together and I'll install it on the roof as a unit instead of doing it one at a time. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Well, that's less than ideal. The ends don't line up. So, two things. I'm missing one of the caps. I know I took it with me. I don't know where the hell it went. The other issue I'm having right now is that you can see these holes all line up relatively well. But that one doesn't. Not good. In order for me to make this work, wait, so it sucks down tight, is I need to cut that plastic out of the way. So be thinking with that for a moment. I think in order for these to really work, I would need to shave these down 1/4 of an inch. But you can see these ones fit much better. But for some reason, one of them got lost. So for now, I'll leave those pointy ones on the front, and if I still have it, next time I go to pick apart, I'll see if I can't find another one. But now, I'm gonna shift gears. Okay, so I can't really put this on yet because I need to strip it and make it shiny. But this is that one piece of trim that's missing. I'm gonna shift gears now and jump on the inside. And where'd it go? I just had it, and now I don't know what the fuck I did with it. Found it. Right where I freaking left it. New switch. Let's see if this makes a difference. I doubt it, but we'll see. Or somebody commented when I was trying to fix that goofy thing that that's what happened with them, and they replaced the switch and everything was copacetic once again. So I'm going to replace this switch. Be the switch. Check this out. So one way's a momentary switch and the other one's a a regular switch. So that is wipe, and then you push down, that's the wash. So much nicer. Slip it in there like so. Hope I didn't throw it too far, I might need it. What do you think? Think it's fixed? Not really. This is on wipe. On, off. And this is wash. Yeah, it's got to be the wiper motor now. But I ain't messing with it. Next owner can. Hi. Just a piece of trim and that's it. I won't bore you with that. You've seen that in the past. If you haven't, that video is going to be up there someplace in one of those corners up there. I got a little bit of tuning to do. I might throw some fresh plugs in it. And I may do a fuel injector swap on this. If I do, that means I'm going to do a fuel injector swap on this too. I'm going to use the fuel injectors that are in here now in this. But if I do that, that'll be kind of the final video in this series. And then the final video is going to be a breakdown of what I got into this and what I can expect to get fair market value for a Jeep of this vintage. It looks a lot better with that roof rack on it, doesn't it? I think it does. Kind of ties everything together. There's a little balance piece in the bottom that's missing, and I may or may not look for that in the future, but I think this is pretty much done, aside from you know, cleaning the inside out again from all this tomfoolery. You know, I'm not going to shampoo it. I'm just going to vacuum the dust out of it and clean it up. Maybe get a dash pad for it, and then put it up for sale. I think. Methinks. Oh, we'll see. Anyway, that's all I got today. Again, if you like this series, smash that like button and share this video with your vast social media network. It helps the channel a lot. Thanks if you can do that. If you haven't done so, underneath this window is a button that says subscribe. It's right down there. Down there someplace. Big red says subscribe. Click that and the little bell icon right next to it so that YouTube would notify you when I upload a new video. If you don't click the bell and check the boxes, then YouTube won't notify you, and that would be a shame. If you're new to this channel, welcome, and thank you for joining us. It's awesome. You're awesome. If you're a long-time subscriber, I appreciate you. I appreciate everybody that's taking the time to watch these videos. Check the links in the description for products that pertain to this project and the gear that I use to make the videos. That's one way you can support the channel, by either buying those products directly or clicking through those links to get whatever it is that you do want on the Amazons. So until next time, you have fun, stay safe, shoot straight, keep powder dry, have it splat in a day. I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.